Morning, everybody. Hey, like I just said, you know, these Godzilla motors, one of the biggest, newest things in the industry. I think it's 2021 they came out. But again, you can build these all different variety of horsepower. Some guys just want one of them new Godzillas and put it in their truck or car, like this one, going to a 62 Lincoln Continental. Yeah, it's got 540 foot-pounds of torque and almost matching horsepower, but that's the low end. I got a guy I'm waiting to fire up. I built him over 2,000 horsepower. So, you know, when you guys shoot your mouths, hey, I'm doing this for over 55 years. I enjoy my work. I'll build whatever somebody wants. You want low-end horsepower, I'll be happy. But the main thing is, I'm gonna build you something that I'm proud of and you're gonna be proud of. It's gonna leave here flawlessly. You tell me how you want it, I'm gonna build it. Hey, thank you everybody that doesn't bitch about my videos. Peace. Okay. We are just about, I gotta get some heat in the motor. Let me rev it up a little bit to get some heat. My learning stats gotta come on. The motor pulls down quick. As soon as I get up to 160, my learning stats will come on. We're just about there. There we go. Okay. Oil pressure's fantastic, 50 something. Again, 166, let's roll. We're gonna pull it to about 5,800. Fantastic.